Smart, compact, versatile. The Bernette 59 is the easy entry into embroidery, with an app for designs you create yourself. Create and edit stitches and embroidery designs wherever you are with the Stitch Direct app. Send your final designs directly to your b59 and keep full control throughout the embroidery process. Turn your ideas into unique pieces fast and with precision, so they make the biggest possible impact. With the included multi-position hoop, you can bring larger embroidery ideas to life. Reposition, click, and continue embroidering. The Bernette 57 is compact yet powerful. It is threaded in seconds, comes with a large slide-on table, and offers intuitive control via a modern color touchscreen. Features like the click and lift stitch plate and the automatic thread cutter support you while sewing. Every stitch turns out exactly the way you want it, thanks to the slide speed control. With 515 stitches, the b57 offers plenty of options to explore new ideas. Designed to create, made to be loved.